If you are wondering if POCO F8 Ultra has a memory card slot, if you can use microSD card on the SIM tray, then the answer is, in this case, unfortunately, no. You can see here I have the SIM tray and we have two SIM card slots, but unfortunately you cannot use a microSD card. So over here I have my microSD card, and as you can see it is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray, so there is no way to actually use it like that. If you really want to use the microSD card, then in this case you can use a memory card reader. So in my case I have this huge memory card reader. Of course there are smaller ones as well, but essentially you need a memory card reader with USB-C cable. So in that case you can insert the memory card into the memory card reader, and then using the USB-C cable you can connect it to the phone like that, and you can access the storage. Of course it is inconvenient to use it on a daily basis because nobody really wants to walk around with these things, but if you want to transfer some files between the internal storage and the microSD card storage, then of course you can use that for exactly that reason. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.